each have our own unique Galaxy that looks different and even works differently. But at the center of Galaxy, you will always find oneui 4. This experience is designed to open up a world of possibilities. That starts with color palette. Create the vibe, the feeling. Extract the main color of your wallpaper and lock screen, and use that color to customize your own UI. Or express yourself by selecting your favorite memories. If you're into widgets, you can hang them on your home screen, like picture frames. The entire widget experience got a complete makeover with a new rounded look. And for all you night owls out there, you can dim the screen to reduce glare with extra dim while texting or watching videos. With emoji pairs, you can text mixed emotion easier than ever. Simply combine, make them animated. And just in time for Halloween. Hey, look at that! Getting ghosted isn't so scary anymore. Everyone wants a great camera that takes amazing photos with oneui 4. Took a great shot? Now you can de-blur photos with Photo Remaster. So much better, right? Then, open up the photo editor to cut and grab the parts you want. Ready to move to your Galaxy Book series for some final touches? No worries. Just use Quick Share to quick share. With our ecosystem, your devices don't just mirror each other, they complete each other. Second Screen's extended mode is perfect for putting up your reference photos. Wow, it's incredibly productive. Especially if you're using an S Pen, you can use it more in detail. So fix that little thing there, crank up the color, and voila! Ready to share? Just drag and drop to send to your friends with link to Windows. Magic! It's time to get up and get moving. With Galaxy Watch 4, you can track your body composition easily, and you can see the analytics right on your phone. The best thing about Galaxy Watch 4 is that you can go hands-free. So just pull up Google Maps and follow your path. And with Samsung Health Together, you can take your friends with you. Stay motivated, challenge your friends, and share your workouts. With oneui 4, there are so many possibilities. That's the beauty of Galaxy. oneui 4 is as unique as you are. It's all about your taste, passions, experiences, and friends. Your Galaxy, your way. This is oneui 4.